This conference will now be recorded.
Welcome, friends. This is Ahmad, and today I'm taking Linux Red Hat 8 free webinar series, fifth session. These are my details, so I'm not going into that. Today I will tell you about Linux system information. Means you have installed Linux and what information you should know about your system. So today I will discuss about some commands which will tell you your system information. So as a system admin, you should know that what actually your system is. Means what is your system name, what is your kernel name, what is your kernel release, what is the architecture of your processor, like this. Okay. So let's begin with the session. Yeah. So in this, we have the command uname. Basically, uname will give you your system information. If we type uname like this, I'm going to my terminal. Okay, if I say uname, so it will tell you about your system information. And if I say uname -s, so both command are same. Okay, if I say uname -a, it will give you all information in one command. Your system name, your host name, your kernel release, your kernel name, your architecture of the processor, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we have uname A, that is all information will give you. S, print the kernel name, and for node, print the network node host name. So if I say, if I type uname -n, so it will print the network host name. Okay, and if I say v -r, that will kernel release, and -v kernel version. So let's see that uname -r, see that uname -v. Okay, so this is the difference between that, but both are related to kernel. And after that, if I say M, then that will print the machine hardware name. If I say P, it will print the processor, print the processor type. Okay, so uname -m, that is uname -p, so that is processor. Okay, look like the output is same, but one is showing hardware, one is showing processor. So I had a 64-bit processor and 64-bit machine. And then if you are giving hardware platform, and O for operating system. Let's see that. Uname -o operating system. Uname -i, that is hardware platform. So my hardware is 64-bit. Okay, clear? And if you say uname -help, so it will help about these, all the information you will get on one page. So whenever you want to ask, you want to know any command information, you just type that command and -l, help. And if I say uname -version, so it will about option version try name. Okay, yeah, now it works. Okay. So this will tell you about the version information. You have GNU 8.30 version is uname. Okay, so that is, so this is uname, very powerful command which will tell you about your system information. Okay, now next is host name. So we have many commands like host name, it will show you system host name. If I say domain name, it will show you system domain name. If I say YP domain name, it will show you NIS YP domain name. And when I say NIS domain name, it will show you NIS YP domain name. And if I say DNS domain name, it will show the system's DNS domain name. Okay, so mostly we use host name actually. So just clear that, and then host name. So this is my host name. If I say nothing, and DNS domain name. Okay, DNS domain name. So this is my DNS domain name. Okay, and host name ahmad.oraclewrite.com. DNS domain name is oraclewrite.com. Okay, so in that we have option also. So we can use that option. So suppose if I say host name -d, host name -a, host name -f, host name -I, like this. So we can use a multiple combination with that. So we have capital I, we have a small s, we have a small y, then host name -b, then host name capital then host name -h, and host name -v, that is for version. Okay, so we can use these aliases with the hostname command option, actually not alias. So this will tell you about the information. So let's I will check few, not all. Hostname -I, oh, spelling wrong. Hostname -I. So this is give you all the information. Then if I say host name, host name capital I, so this will give you the IP. Actually my IP is this. Okay, so all IP address and -I IP address. If I say host name -b, so this is my boot actually. And if I say host name -h, it will show you help. Okay, and domain name we can use -f, YP domain name -f, and IS domain name -f, and DNS domain name is no this. So yeah, so these options description is there. -a, display the alias name of the host. Capital A, display all FQDNS of the machine. This option basically all configured network address. And if I say -b, always set a host name. This allows the file specified by -f to be non-existent or empty, in which case the default host name localhost will be used if none is yet set. Okay, and -d, display the name of the DNS domain. Okay, and -f, display the fully qualified domain name, full, and at capital F, read the host name from the specified file, which I will give you after the option. And then -I, display the network address of the host name. Then capital I, display all network addresses of the host. And -s, display the short host name. Let's see that. See, this is Ahmad host name, short alias you can say. Okay, and -v, version. So So this is the version of hostname command. Okay. And -y display the NIS domain name, and -h print a usage message and exit. It will show you help. So host name -h. So this all things come together, and you can use and all these things. Okay. So these are the options which you can use with hostname command. Okay, thank you. And if you have anything, you can use these links, give feedback, register the free webinar. And you have any questions, you can mail me ahmad@oraclewrite.com. You can check my blog, oraclewrite.com, and you can check my YouTube channel, Oracle Write. And I will upload this session very soon on my YouTube channel. And please hit the button bell icon so that you can get the update. Subscribe, like, comment, and share so that other people can take the benefit. Okay, and I will tell in next session more about the system information. So we will meet soon. Thank you. Bye.